HiBoy have sent me another scooter. Last time it was the KS4, today it's the S2. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Hello there. Good, thanks. We're down here right now doing the unboxing because it's so hot. We're actually finding that this is nice and cool down here, right under in the garage. Here we go. One of my neighbors. Oh, this looks really nice. Kickstand's already good. Alrighty, inside we've got an Allen key, we've got the manual, we've got a charging brick. Pretty straightforward, nicely packaged. Actually, not a lot of packaging, but no scratches. So far, so good. Let's put this, let's finish up and put everything together now. Oh, I almost put it on backwards. So just a simple wire here. I'm just gonna stick that down into the post. Looks pretty straightforward. Always nice. Looks like I've got 2, 4, 6 bolts, screws to put in. I'm gonna get that done next. Alrighty, let's turn this puppy on. Nice. So we've got power, brake, mechanical brake here, the bell. Perfect. And a simple clamp. I'm really liking the orange accents. I think that's really cool. I also wanted to show you guys that you don't need any special tools to put it together because everything's in the box. Charging's in the box, user manual's in the box, even an adapter to pump up the tires is in the box. Just an observation, the HiBoy does have a 48 volt, 11.6 amp hour battery and a 500 watt motor at the back. And they are air inflated 10-inch tires. So it should be pretty decent range. I'm really looking forward to reviewing this. So if you have any questions about the HiBoy S2 Max, give me a shout. Put those down in the comments down below. I'm gonna go for a boot now just to see what it's like. And then what I'll probably do is do a full review. So if you'd like to see that review, make sure you're subscribed.